Hello everyone. So how's everyone doing today? We will go with pick a card. This is your set of card ones and this is your set of card two. So I shall give you all a couple of seconds to connect with the cards and decide whether today for you it is card one or it is the set of card two. So now let's see what is in card 2. Though I have picked the life purpose oracle cards, we will see what is the purpose of your day to day. Light and love. So just work on healing yourself. Maybe today you need to have a lot of self healing and rejuvenation, but at the same time, if you see, the card can also mean that you need to also be more anchored or focus on your goals and work on these goals, work towards when we say healing the goals, maybe channeling the goals, working towards how to make that goal happen, and work on your present situation. Because I feel if you work on your present situation, then what will happen is things will start working in your favor and you will be able to get the right solution. Maybe if you're in business and you're wondering as to how to get my business going, but you're not able to find a way, then today you should work on that. You should see what is the right way to work on it and how to go about it, and then maybe you will get clarity and you will realize that even through this way the problem could have been solved. So be dedicated. Let's see what is the fortune cookie. See, when I said be dedicated, it says commitment. So decide again. If you see here around love or business, so maybe the reading what I said was related to your work. So maybe see how you can give commitment to your work so that you can be focused and at the same time you can get the result that you want to get. Today wear the color yellow, and today if possible in the morning chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times and then start your day. Have a blessed day to all the card 1 members. Now let's see what is the card to come. Talk to your angel. So maybe there is some day of worry for you. So today when you're getting worried, all you need to do is just talk to the angels, because if you keep worrying you will only keep attracting more and more worry. So today pray to them, talk to them to clear things for you in a miraculous way. So today if you feel at a point of time you're worried, just say, oh dear angels, I am feeling very low, I am feeling very worried. I know you all are there around me. I want you to come here, help me and provide me a solution for what it is that I am worried. Now when I am saying what it is that I am worried, maybe the fortune cookie will tell you what is the worry that is there. Oh, that's a beautiful card. So maybe jealousy. You're worried about jealousy at home or jealousy with people or jealousy in your career part. Just let go of it. Let the angels handle it and you just focus on your work. Today wear light green color and maybe you should also chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha. But today when you start from home, just ask the angels to give you a sign that they are with you, and I'm sure you will get some sign where you will know that yes, they are there with you and they are guiding you and they are helping you, and you will feel rest assured that yes, things are in your favor. Have a beautiful and blessed day to all. Thank you.